Moz is a powerful software that promises to revolutionize the way you manage your business processes. But before you decide to jump in, there are a few things you should know. If you're considering Moz, stick around until the end of this video because I'm going to share 7 crucial things you need to know before buying. First off, Moz stands out as a top contender in the project management and business automation space. Compared to competitors like Asana, Monday.com, or Trello, Moz offers a unique set of features that can truly streamline your operations. But, like with any tool, it's important to dive deeper before making a final decision. Next thing, Moz is designed for ease of use. If you've used other platforms, you know how overwhelming some can be. Moz doesn't follow that route. The user interface is intuitive, making it much simpler to implement and start using right away. If you're someone who's intimidated by complex software, Moz offers a clean design that minimizes the learning curve, which is a huge plus compared to the steeper learning curves of competitors like Jira or Basecamp. The third thing you need to know about Moz is its versatility when it comes to team collaboration. One of its strongest features is the ability to centralize communication, file sharing, and task tracking in one place. Unlike traditional project management software, Moz integrates seamlessly with tools like Google Workspace and Slack, ensuring that all your communication stays in sync. This makes it a more collaborative experience than platforms like ClickUp, where integrations might feel like a bit of a hassle to set up. The fourth thing to keep in mind is Moz's automation capabilities. If you're familiar with tools like Zapier or Automate.io, Moz includes automation features that allow you to eliminate manual tasks. You can automate everything from reminders to task assignments and workflow triggers. This saves you time, so you can focus on what truly matters: growing your business. The level of automation Moz provides isn't something you typically find in simpler project management tools. Now, let's talk pricing. Moz's pricing structure is competitive, but it's essential to understand how its tier system works. It has a flexible pricing model that can scale with your business, from solo entrepreneurs to large enterprises. In comparison to higher-priced solutions like Monday.com, Moz offers a more affordable entry point with the same essential features, making it an excellent choice for smaller teams or startups on a budget. Next, Moz offers a high level of customization that makes it stand out from other software in the space. While platforms like Trello or Asana may limit customization options, Moz allows you to tailor workflows, dashboards, and even user permissions to your specific needs. Whether you're running a remote team or working on complex projects, this flexibility ensures that the tool adapts to your business, not the other way around. Lastly, Moz has customer support that goes above and beyond. While many competitors rely on ticketing systems or slow response times, Moz is known for offering fast and reliable customer service. If you're dealing with any issues, you can expect responsive help from their team, something that can't always be said for larger platforms like Wrike or Smartsheet. If you're ready to dive into Moz, you can try it completely free through the first link in the description. This free trial gives you full access to the software, allowing you to test everything firsthand and make an informed decision. Don't miss out on the exclusive benefits that come with signing up through this link. So, whether you're a startup looking for an affordable and scalable solution or a growing team needing more collaboration and automation, Moz is definitely worth considering. If you want to give it a go, don't forget to click the first link in the description for the best free trial and some exclusive benefits.